Hello, good morning, traders. Today is 15th of March 2023. We had another beautiful long trade on pound yen. As you have seen, my all the yen trades today, we were bullish against the yen and bank amazing profits. This is one of the trades still holding long on pound yen. Let me explain to you. We've been long on pound yen. Let me share to you how we analyze the market. So if you look ahead technically, price broke on this previous high. So we were expecting a long at this pullback. So we have this breakout long trade here at the Asian session, and afterwards, as I explained, my trader look for pullback. So we have another beautiful pullback, and our first target was around this level, which is price nicely hit, bank few PPs. Let me explain to you in intraday how I analyze the entries and help my traders to squeeze beautiful PPs. So if you look at the intraday, we had this is the Asian session analysis. Based on that, price nicely broken as mentioned here in 4 hour. So we break out. After the breakout pullback, bank amazing profit. After banking this profit, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback, because once we develop our bias, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, this is the another beautiful analysis at the London, just before London open. So based on this analysis, as you can see here, pretty straightforward, not rocket science. As explained to trader, look for this break pullback. Based on this analysis, price nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target in based on the 4 hour, and if you look at here based on the 4 hour, as soon as the hit, and that's what I explained my today, it's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So we had amazing trade, all the yen pair guys. As you have seen all of my analysis, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, define the sentiment and buys, and look for entries in intraday. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, and have a safe trading, and wish you all the best.